Question 1.
Which part of the human body cannot have cancer? Answer B, heart.
Question 2.
Which organ has the ability to regenerate? Answer C, liver.
Question 3.
What part of the human body heals the fastest? Answer B, tongue.
Question 4.
Where is the smallest bone in the human body located? Answer B, ears.
Question 5.
Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Answer A, O negative.
Question 6.
What type of blood cells are responsible for fighting infection? Answer C, white blood cells,